Hello, and welcome to Lang HD Learning Platform. In this video, we will explore the many advantages of learning a new language, and why it is a skill that can benefit you in both your personal and professional life. 1. Enhances cognitive function. Studies have shown that learning a new language can improve cognitive function and increase brain power. It helps to improve memory, concentration, and problem-solving skills. 2. Cultural understanding. Learning a new language helps you to understand and appreciate different cultures. You can understand different perspectives and ways of life, which in turn makes you more empathetic and understanding towards others. 3. Boosts career opportunities. Knowing a second language can open up new job opportunities, particularly in international business or communication roles. In today's globalized world, companies are increasingly seeking employees who can speak multiple languages. 4. Improves communication skills. Learning a new language helps you to communicate with people from different backgrounds and cultures. It helps to break down barriers and build relationships with others. It also improves your ability to communicate effectively in your native language. 5. Travel and tourism. Knowing a new language can enhance your travel experiences. You can better understand the local culture and communicate with locals, making your travels more enjoyable and meaningful. 6. Provides personal satisfaction. Learning a new language is a great achievement that can boost your self-confidence and self-esteem. It is also a fun and rewarding hobby that can provide personal satisfaction. In conclusion, learning a new language can benefit you in many ways. It can enhance your cognitive function, boost your career opportunities, improve communication skills, help you to understand and appreciate different cultures, enhance your travel experiences, and provide personal satisfaction. So why not challenge yourself to learn a new language today? Please join our channel to step to your next level of the language. Thank you for watching our video.